I'm loud enough, y'all, because my dishwasher is definitely going right now. But hey, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna be multitasking because I have some oodles and noodles that y'all just saw in the previous clip. I'm trying to figure out how to cook that. Incorporated a new series with my YouTube. So that's the series that we're doing right now, Clean With Me. So I hope you guys enjoy them. Comment, let me know like what you think, if you like it. Well, you know what, we have to stop that for a second. But yeah, comment, let me know what you think. Today I have, well, as y'all can see, I still got on the same get up because I really recorded like a lot of videos in one day. Today's Saturday and this is pretty much my only day like off. So I decided to do a ton of videos today, a ton of like Clean With Me videos. But this one right here is actually a DIY. So I'll insert a clip, but this is how my kitchen looks right now. That clip is how my kitchen looks right now. And I hate the countertops. Like, I think they are so ugly. So I've been doing like this. I have like been obsessed with like marble tile. And so I've decided that, y'all think I'm doing a lot, but if you know me, I always do too much. Not in like out and about, but I'm just saying, like when I do something, I get on it so hard that it's just like, I have so many ideas, but I have been obsessed. When I say obsessed, I have been obsessed with the Deco duct tape. I guess that's what it's called. I don't know. But it has like different patterns or whatever. And I've put this on quite a few pieces in my home. And it works really good with water. Like, now some of them I have changed out, but these are literally $5 at Walmart, so it really doesn't, you know, stress me out. I don't know how you would feel about it. It's definitely cheaper to get these, but it's probably easier to get just like regular marble, I guess. But I ain't got the money for that, okay? So we're gonna make this work. But I want to change my countertops to this color here. I changed my kids' eating table. I just got everything on today. That's the washing machine, y'all, I'm sorry. But I have my kids' eating table in this pattern. I have like a coffee table of mine with this pattern as well. So, yeah. What was I saying? I have like my little nightstand this color. I mean this pattern. So I'm going on a marble kick, and I really like the fact that I can take it off whenever I want and put a different color down, or you can just place it over top. So I think this is like bomb.com, whoever came out with this, I love you for that. And when you put it down, like sometimes they overlay, but you do not notice at all. That's why I got patterns really like okay, so I got this pattern right here as well. I'm not sure what I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not. I wanted to see if it matched with the marble, which I don't think it will, but you won't know till you try it. So I bought it to try it out, and if I don't like it, I'll just take it back. Then I also bought this color using today. Oh, mind you, I don't know if you guys know, but these come sticky, so you won't need any tape or glue or anything like that. And it's by duct tape. You know, duct tape, it's hard to come off. But this really just peels right up. Like I lied to y'all not. It peels right up. You just wipe the residue with some alcohol, good to go, okay? Like this is like the best thing they could have did. I'm stressing everybody in my family out because I'm just like DIY and everything. But that's what happens when something good comes out. So I'm unbothered. Let's do it. Okay. But yeah, so you're gonna need your wrap. You can use scissors, but I actually think the X-Acto knife is really good. I got this for like $4 from Walmart. I'm gonna jump right into the video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys after I finish. I'm not sure. If I don't, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves.